So I'm here at the beautiful Soneva Kiri in Thailand and I'm on holidays. I wanted to make a little video about what I take with me when I'm traveling, especially to a tropical location. Now, I want things to be as low maintenance as possible. My main tip is before I go, I get eyelash extensions. I just find it's amazing. They make you look so wide awake, your eyes look bigger, you don't have to mess around with mascara or taking off eye makeup at the end of the day. The other thing is obviously protecting your skin from the sun. During the day, I tend to wear It Cosmetics CC cream, physical sunscreen, so it actually bounces the sun's rays away rather than absorbing them, so it's a really good protective base, but it also creates a lovely, dewy, even coverage as well. Obviously, a hat is number one. I love this one. And then at night time, I just like to take a few makeup products. If I'm going out to dinner, I might just pop on a little bit of highlighter on my cheekbones. This is Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand and it's just easy. I'll do 3 dots, blend, 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 maybe one on the brow bone. A little bit of concealer under the eyes by Terry Stylo Expert Click Stick. I love this one because it has a diamond head tip. I love a little bit of bronzer if I can be bothered at night time. This is excellent. This is the Nars Laguna and Orgasm palette. So when you're traveling, it's great to have both the blush and the bronze in one. If I am going somewhere special, I'll put a little bit of eyeliner on, and I just use the chocolate brown. This is Shiseido Eyebrow Styling Compact. I always use it as a liner and for my brows. So I'll use this shade for my brows, this shade for my eyeliner, and this is Amy Jean's brow brush, but I use it along the eyeline as well. So this is a Chanel powder brush for the bronzer and the blush. And Lano lips in coconut flavour, because I'm all about coconut flavour when I'm on holidays. That's it, pretty low maintenance really, and I think that's the key. You just want to spend more time enjoying yourself and less time applying product.